Nikai Smart TV with very low backlight. Here in camera it may show brightness, but actually it's very low. We will show you after powering up. Here power up button response is also slow as you can see here. As you can see here the backlight LED brightness is very low. So we will wait some moments to see if there is any backlight fluctuations or it will stay on or goes off. Backlight is stable but low. Now we can open the unit and inspect the main board electronic components. Here we can see a capacitor is bulged. All capacitors top and bottom should be flat and there should be no leaking. And this capacitor is linked to the LED backlight power supply. Due to malfunction of capacitor driver may not giving enough output voltage to light the LED brighter, we can confirm it by replacing it. The value of the capacitor here is 63 volts and 100 UF. Luckily I have a new same part available. After changing the capacitor the LED backlight brightness was fixed, but due to some recording issues I couldn't record the video after fixing the unit. So in case of any LED backlight issue, unless the backlight is fluctuating, the issue is with the LED panel itself. But if not, fluctuation and low brightness means main board or driver issue. Even power LED dimming and no power also will be related to capacitor issue itself. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Share video if it was helpful to you. See you soon.